Greetings, this is Jerry Revier with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. The video today will show how to procure and install the Presence Service Pack 2 in the Avaya Aura Solution for the Midsize Enterprise following the Intelligent Workbook. The video will be focusing on a specific piece of the Avaya Aura Solution for the Midsize Enterprise installation, which is applying a service pack to the Presence server. Our task is to use the Midsize Enterprise Intelligent Workbook to download from PLDS the Presence Server Service Pack 2, transfer it to the Midsize Enterprise Presence Server virtual machine, and install it. This particular video focuses on the only patch process that is not handled by the System Platform Web Console Patch Management function in the Midsize Enterprise template. Our first item is to look at the Intelligent Workbook. I have opened the Intelligent Workbook I used to perform the initial install of the System Platform in the Midsize Enterprise template, version 3105. The Intelligent Workbook is a detailed Microsoft Excel spreadsheet located at support.avaya.com. The workbook is correct for the GA release of the 3105 template. The reason I mention this is that the download section of the spreadsheet has the patches and PLDS download IDs for the correct patches at the GA timeframe. Utilizing the compatibility matrix at support.avaya.com to validate if the updated patches are correct and available is a very critical step for a successful implementation. As you can see across the bottom of the spreadsheet, various tabs, some of which are for installing a server from scratch or an AVNet stage server, listed as Configured SP Preloaded Software, Configuring SMGR, and the different video endpoints. The most important is the Configuration tab. From this tab, it propagates all the critical values entered throughout the spreadsheet where they are applicable. The tabs that we are most interested for this exercise today is the Downloads tab and the Apply Application Patches tab. The Application Patches tab provides the exact instructions to apply the patch. We will follow those listed instructions for applying the patch in this video. Looking specifically at the Downloads tab, the description in column A and the PLDS ID in column C is our desired patch that we are looking for. The ID number that we are particularly interested in is PS 00000031. I have logged into PLDS and have entered the patch ID we just saw in the Intelligent Workbook. I press the Perform Search button. PLDS returns a single item. I have clicked the red Download and the Download Manager window opens. I have selected the Click to download your file now to bring up the Download Manager and to save it onto my hard disk. As you can see, the file is over 200 megabytes. The download has started, and depending upon your connection speed, the download time will vary. The download has finished, and the next step is to transfer the file to the Presence virtual machine. I have already opened a connection to the Presence server virtual machine using WinSCP. In the left window, I have selected the directory where I downloaded the file to, and in the right window, I have selected the /tmp directory. I will drag and drop the file from the left window to the right to start the transfer. I have okayed the dialog presented, and the transfer has started. This transfer will take a bit of time depending upon the bandwidth of the network. Indicated is the file I transferred was completed successfully. I have logged into the Presence virtual machine in the CLI. The steps I am following are the ones from the Intelligent Workbook tab called Apply Application Patches, starting in cell A67. Since I am already logged in, I need to become the root user, which I am doing now. I am changing directory to the /tmp directory. I am validating the patch is in the /tmp directory. The next step is to unzip the service pack using the unzip command followed by the patch name. The next step is to stop the present services software using the command string shown. There are several steps to stop the server and does take an extended period of time that is being not accounted for in this video. The next step is to apply the patch with the command string shown. I will resume after the patch is completely installed to let you see all the steps that it has to go through. After the patch has completely been applied, the server will reboot and you'll have to re-log in after that reboot has completed. Once you've re-logged in, you'll need to restart the present server software using the command string shown. The last steps are to validate our work. I have logged into the web console again. I am clicking on the software version number to display the detailed version information screen. It shows that Service Pack 2 has been successfully installed. After closing the details screen, I'm clicking on the wrench, which allows me to log into the Presence web controller. Notice that all router and Presence components are green and running. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information was useful. We welcome your comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.